guys, it's Sloan, and today we're going to be making triple chocolate
You see that?
brownies. You know what song I really like right now?
What?
I'll play it now.
It's so good.
What song did you say you liked? Oh,
No, I'm joking. Okay, slower.
I love cracking eggs.
What's marmalade?
Oh. Okay, we have a measuring cup.
Wait, 1/4 cup water or milk?
Yeah, 1/4 cup water.
honey. Let's check
Wait,
it.
should we pour the mix in there first?
Yeah.
Oh, always check the amount.
1/4 cup.
Okay.
Okay.
You pour one and I'll pour the other. I'm scared that your like parents are gonna walk in on me filming.
No, they won't. They're at a party.
Goals.
Empty.
Are you trying to be like Jackie? She did this?
Like this, please. What?
Wait, what'd you say?
I said so like a queen. You need some scissors?
No, I got it. I'm smart. Alright.
Alright. Don't stab yourself.
Okay, it was kind of open.
Oh.
Just, you know, plastic. Yeah,
See, there's the mix.
Okay, that's good enough.
How do you zoom? Why does that make me think of just like a home video?
Yeah, look at this. Ooh, maybe I'll edit it like a vintage. During that part when you say, why does it remind me of a home video? Then it'll be like a vintage home video.
Step 1. Put the mix in. This cannot happen.
Can you use canola oil instead of vegetable? She's so good. Can I use...
Yes, so dumb. I'm doing my best. That said Sharon. I was like, why is it Sharon?
Can you see that? A little.
Wait, I'll get the eggs out. Wait, you have it.
Yeah.
Wait, no, I'm doing it. I saved one. That's all that counts.
Rip eggs. Rip. The twins died.
I love you. I'm sorry.
How many likes can our soldiers get?
Rising. That is what thriving looks like. Oh my god!
Right on the edge.
No, I didn't. It pushed itself to the edge.
Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the
One egg. Well, let's
Check.
see if Regan's gonna edit that out or not.
Okay, we need to get one more out of the fridge. That's okay. 2. Any shells? No, not yet.
Three. No, I'm perfect at egg hitting or cracking.
Really? Is that so?
Watch me go into Jackie's fridge. Your fridge is clean.
Oh, honey, my mom cleans it out like weekly.
Goals.
Okay, the eggs over on the left.
Oh. Come on.
Honey. Oh. What is this?
Yeah, I told you it was hard. Yeah, see, I missed
Okay,
the whole
why did we
spot.
use a whisk?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm using something else.
That's hard to use. So it tastes like, we need to stir that some more. That's just not it.
It's like, this is my new shade. It's called Brownie.
gonna do step 1 now. Who Jackie forgot.
You were the one that stopped me from doing it.
Wow.
Got it all good. Gotta get it all good so it doesn't stick.
It says to keep it in the oven for 44 minutes. So in that time, what are we doing, Jackie? Wait, let me get my face in here. What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna watch High School Musical.
Cause Jackie's barely seen it.
I've seen it, but it was not part of my childhood experience, and that makes me just a little mad. So it's part of my teenager experience.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Be like the people in the shows.
Oh.
It's ready to go in the oven.
Okay.
So I don't burn myself.
Okay.
It just sizzled when I put it in, and I don't know why. That's never happened.
I think maybe we'll make 4 rows. Sorry, Jackie.
No, it's okay.
Well, that's gonna be a pretty big row.
It's fine. The more the merrier. That didn't even relate to this at all, but it's okay.
These are very soft, so we might need to let them cool some more. And obviously, not that good at making a straight line. So, how many did it say it made? 20? This is gonna be 12.
I feel like I expect you to cut them so small. Like, honey, we do not want bite size.
All right, so there they are.
Finished product?
Hopefully they taste good. Okay, again, sorry. I have a bladder problem. Okay, I don't remember shutting this door.
What? What?
I don't remember.
Don't scare me. No, I remember you did. Hi, Regan. If you're editing this, hi. Love you. Our brownies are looking scrumptiddlyumptious.
Were you talking?
Yes. Okay.
This has been the end of our little cook with me. Like,
It was
comment,
fun.
subscribe.
Keep watching it. I was gonna say something, but I had to think of something to say. Thanks for your. No, yeah, that's not gonna work. What I was gonna say.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.